Alright, welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show how you can actually check your dstv-extra-view connectivity on your dstv-extra decoder. So after doing the necessary connections, all you got to do is to come to the menu to actually check whether everything is being successful. So you press on the DSTV logo, that's the blue button on your remote, and when you come to the menu, use the arrow left and right keys and you look for help. Okay, so help, you come down to the general information right here, and on this page come down to the last option, that's the extra view over here. So here, if you have connected everything successfully, the primary and then the secondary figures, or the secondary option and then the primary option, will actually indicate that you are ready for them to actually work. It's gonna mark, okay, there will be a mark over there to actually indicate that they are ready or they are fully paired for them to work. Alright, so after checking in, there is nothing like that, meaning your connection is not well connected or well activated for you. So you can call DSTV office and then you do your own part, and then they also do the necessary activation for you. Alright, so if you find this video helpful, you are new here, all you got to do is subscribe and hit the bell icon. You lose absolutely nothing by subscribing. Thanks for watching.